रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री इंडिया में काफ़ी ग्रो कर रही है, तो एक ऐसे ही ग्रुप को लॉन्च करने पहुंची द स्टनिंग डीवा हार्ट ऑफ बॉलीवुड ऐश्वर्या राय। आइए जानते हैं उनकी एसोसिएशन के बारे में विद द ग्रुप।
This is the first association for me with a real estate developer, and what better group for me to associate than with the very best. The Lodha Group has been documented currently as the #1 leading real estate developer, and I am absolutely thrilled, and I repeat, proud to be associated with the Lodha Group on this new venture. The park is an outstanding development, one which is going to be at par with the best internationally, and definitely something that we in the city are looking forward to.
ऐश्वर्या ने कहा कि उन्हें प्यार है मुंबई के साथ।
The privilege and the opportunity to travel extensively and have a blessed life where, I get the opportunity to have so many varied experiences. But I think the vision that the Lodha Group is promising the residents of this city is something that we all would definitely look forward to, because we love our city and we love Mumbai, and we're very, very proud Mumbaikars, as we'd say. But at the same time, it is a hustling, bustling city. It is our commercial capital, and I think it would be wonderful to enjoy a lot more lush greenery and tranquil ambiances as well in our incredibly developed city. So the promise of the vision of the park seems to be able to give its consumers precisely that, and hence I am really, really looking forward to this development in its completion already. No pressure, but I am.
जानते हैं ऐश्वर्या से क्या वो जलसा से बाहर निकल अपना कोई आशियाना बसाना चाहेंगी?
Is my home in Mumbai already present? Yes, of course. I've always been a resident of Mumbai before marriage and after. So yes, home is very much in this city. But to put it very simply, if you're asking whether I'll also be investing in the park, my answer is yes.
जब ऐश्वर्या से पूछा गया कि वो कब करेंगी सिल्वर स्क्रीन पर वापसी, तो ये था उनका कहना।
Thank you so much. I must reiterate to the members of the media and all my well-wishers and my audience out there through you that it's very, very welcoming, humbling, reassuring, and encouraging all at the same time, and exciting actually, that you all have been so enthusiastic and making me feel missed on the silver screen. And I keep, of course, very nonchalantly and very casually saying that, but we're meeting all the time, which we are. So yes, in the sense, because what I mean when I say that, I don't feel I haven't been interacting with everybody, is because I have, through my brand associations, been meeting you all very, very often and at very, very regularly. So probably that's what I mean when I say that I don't feel I have taken a break at all. But yes, logically speaking, I'm sure if you really log my last release, it was Guzarish on the screen. So in terms of, see, we meet every other week or every month. So I keep saying, yes, I'm reading scripts and work is getting finalized, but it really is the prerogative of as has always been, the directors and the producers to make the announcements, and that's why I never do it. And this is, at least you all know for a fact, has consistently been me. In fact, even this association, we obviously have already come together, we have shot our campaign, but I think you all were told about this only this morning. So it is the prerogative of the people I'm working with, and like here, the Lodha Group, to announce my association as their brand ambassador this morning, to share it with you. Everybody has a plan, and I respect the plan of the people I'm working with, and I give them the opportunity to go ahead and make the announcements. It's always been me, and that about me will never change.
वहीं इतने दिनों से खबरें उड़ रही थी ऐश्वर्या के कमबैक की विद संजय लीला भंसाली's फिल्म रामलीला। कितनी है इसमें सच्चाई, आइए जानते हैं ऐश्वर्या से।
Should he not be saying it? Like I said, I think I should leave it to people to, for the respective people to make the announcements if there are any. Or have we been in talks? Yes, but the conclusion and the consequence of it, when we arrive at it, there will be announcements.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।